This buttercream frosting is just perfect for cakes and cupcakes, and it only takes 10 minutes to make. There are only 5 basic ingredients. This recipe makes enough icing for 12 large cupcakes. You'll need very soft, unsalted butter. Don't forget to leave the butter out well in advance. If you only have salted butter, you can use it, but don't add any salt later. Add the butter to a large bowl and cream it. We're using beaters. If you have a stand mixer, use the paddle. You can also do it by hand using a whisk. Mix for 2 minutes. The butter will begin to lighten in color. You'll need a ½ pound of icing sugar. You can make it yourself from white sugar. We'll link to our video on how to make it in the description. Start with half the icing sugar. This way it's easier to mix. You need to sift the icing sugar. Press to get out any lumps. This prevents it from clogging up your piping tips. Mix on low speed so the icing sugar doesn't fly out. Once it's incorporated, add the second half of the sugar. You need to sift again. Beat on low speed until incorporated. Now add the vanilla extract, cream, and a pinch of salt. Mix once again until incorporated, scraping down the bowl with a spatula every so often. Once everything is incorporated, check the flavor of the buttercream. You can add more sugar, salt, or vanilla if you like, in very small quantities. The frosting should be light, fluffy, and smooth. If it's too thick, there will be air bubbles in the frosting. You can see them here. If your icing looks like this, add a teaspoon of cream at a time. We added 2 more teaspoons and mixed with a spatula. If you find our video helpful, please do take the time to give us a like and subscribe. This is exactly the texture you want for frosting cakes and cupcakes. Now it's time to decorate your dessert. You can have a lot of fun with frosting. So many options. You can store the frosting in the fridge or freezer. Just bring it to room temperature and whip it again when you're ready to use it. This buttercream frosting is the perfect topping for so many heavenly treats. We hope you enjoyed this delicious buttercream frosting. If you like this recipe, we think you'll like these too.